For the junior, for the middle school students, so many, 4 hours worth. Anyway, there will be an osmosis question. Be sure your students understand osmosis. There will be a simple plotting program. Be sure they know how to do a simple XY plot. Draw a line, make conclusions. Be sure they've looked at some skeletons and skulls. Because they'll be there. Not the real thing, the pictures, but I do.
Excuse me, I'm sorry.
Should they understand energy?
They can't hear you. Okay,
Oh,
so I'll do it again. Osmosis,
Osmosis,
XY plots,
XY plots,
skulls,
skulls and skeletons.
skeletons.
You know, just the basic parts and sort of what they look like. Energy flow through ecosystems. And quite a few questions actually on experimental design, giving them an experiment and asking them what's wrong with it or how they could do it better, how it should be done better. So do talk about experimental design.
Great.
Last year I did all multiple choice and I didn't like it because I thought it was not engaging their minds.
We got scores really fast.
Yes. This year I want to engage their minds. May I have 5 helpers?
Okay.
Question. Is all the information at one place with the test, or are they going from station to station?
They're going from station to station. 3 minutes at each station? Yeah, I think that's what you told me. So some questions will be one station for 3 minutes. They're fairly short questions, but when the questions are longer, there'll be 2 different stations, the same question. And they're allowed to go through the answer packet as they get finished. They can go through and
Can you hear her?
they can go through and work anywhere. They just can't get up and move around. So please explain carefully to your kids what a station-based exam is. When the bell rings, they go to the next station. And
Yeah, don't linger.
don't linger. Yeah.
And it's
No.
less than 3 minutes.
Is it less than
Yes.
2 minutes and 40 seconds?
If it's a 50-minute exam, how many stations? So just
16.
So 16.
How many?
So they have 2 extra minutes, maybe.
Yeah, I give some extra time.
We have a potential of 18 teams at one time.
Oh.
I know.
So 18
I mean, it's-
stations?
Well, I don't know. I just got some interesting information here.
16 to 18.
Oh, no. 16 to 18, yes.
So it doesn't matter to the kids because they just go to the next station. It matters to her because she's now got, and see that problem is that not all teams do all events. But we don't know in advance which teams are not going to do which events. So we have 71 Division B teams this year, which means 18 teams per session with one of them at 17. So it's a horrendous number, and we have to discuss in detail what we plan to do about this next year because we can't do it.
Have them bring a pencil and a non-programmable calculator, a $2 calculator, adding, subtracting, dividing, and multiplying. That's all they need to do. So I don't like it when they show up with something really fancy I've never seen before, and I don't know if it's a real computer in there.
Are you okay with them? A lot of the phones do that. Can they do that, or no? You take the phones away? They can't have
No, they can't have phones in the event. No cell phones. No, because then you just call your, hello, what's the answer to this?
And please encourage the kids to try to answer the questions.
Yeah, give it a shot.
Give it a shot. It doesn't do any good to just sit there and stare at the ceiling. That's not going to help. So give it a shot.
Okay, and the other thing I want to say is bring pencils.
Yes.
I've heard from so many event captains how pathetic it is to have kids show up and they don't even have pencils. So tie them around their necks, whatever is necessary to make sure that they have pencils when they show up. You just can't have them show up with nothing. Okay? Let's see.
Are you going to have questions on genetics and dichotomy?
Yes, there is a genetics question in there, a simple one.
Simple dichotomous keys.
I'm considering a dichotomous key, but I haven't decided yet.
Don't be specific. You got yours.
Okay.
Thank you.